Hi guys, it's unboxing time. We haven't done one of these in a while. And notice it says Feb. This is my Your Creative Studio box that was supposed to come in December. And I'm not the only one. This happened to everybody. She had some kind of issue with supplies not coming or something for the December box, and so she finally decided to send the February box so that we don't have to wait any longer, because I guess she didn't know, when that was going to be resolved. Something like that. There's an explanation on the website, but you don't care about that. Let's see what's in here. Oh, cool. Okay, it looks like, yes, butterflies are going to be the motif in this box. That'll be fun. I love butterflies. And this has a little, oh, cool. It's got a little quote from Nathaniel Hawthorne. Happiness is a butterfly, which when pursued is always just beyond your grasp, but which, if you will sit down quietly, may alight upon you. Ah, I like that. Nice. Okay. I see, looks like a bookmark. My heart flutters with love. Sorry, I shouldn't laugh. Fly to you. Okay, that's cute. Fly to you. You are so special to me. That's what it says on there. I just have an attitude today. Sorry. Okay, this is Dream Butterfly. Ooh, these look like transparent butterfly stickers. Wow, those are cool. Yeah. They are transparent. Very cool. Really nice detail too. That's fun. Okay. Might as well take them all out. All right. And next we have vintage labels. Now she had one of these, this type Mo card little box in November, and I really liked it. Ooh, it is actually labels. You never know. When it says something on the box, you're like, yeah, sure. But yeah, it's really labels, and they're stickers. Very convenient. Ooh, and I like that there's smaller ones too. Nice. And they're all different shapes. There's triangles even. Oh, these are cool. Like some old stamps that I've seen, Okay, and what's on the very bottom is just rectangles. That's pretty cool. I like it. You can never have too many labels, right? Okay. Next, ooh, a stamp. Ooh, nice. Can you see that? Isn't it pretty? Let's stamp it. Quick, grab a piece of paper. This is a rusty Hinge butterfly. Ready? Oh, okay. Didn't get enough ink on it. Sometimes it's hard to get enough ink on it the first time. Let's check. Well, hard to tell since the color of the ink is close to the stamp. But let us try again. Yes, that's better. Very nice. I like it. Very pretty butterfly. Okay. Alright, so stamp. What else? More stickers. It's tiny little boxes. Oh, I've gotten some like this before from like AliExpress. Cute. Ooh, teensy one. The only thing I don't like about these stickers is they have too much white on them. You gotta cut around it to get the white off. I don't like the white. This is a nice variety of colors though, of the butterflies. That looks like a moth. Moths are cool too. Moths are really interesting. Okay, well that's neat. Okay, so butterfly stickers. What else? Sticky note. Butterfly sticky note. Nice big butterfly. And on the big card, which that seems like over packaging, but you know what, I'll take this off and then I'll use this card to remake into a tag probably, or a journal card. Okay, so let's put that. You don't need the bag. Okay, next. Ooh, big butterflies. Looks like with lots of pretty details. Paper ephemera. Well, that could mean anything. Are they stickers? No, I think they're more like tags. They're like cardstock thickness. Oh, these are gorgeous. Wow. I love these. Yes. These are so pretty. They could be like the cover, you know, on a journal. Like say you had a little journal like this size. Whoops, that's the back that I'm working on. Wouldn't that look pretty? Yeah. I might just do that. I think I will. Wow. Oh, look at that. Oh my God, that is gorgeous. Oh my God. Neat. I love this design. It's like, it almost looks like feathers on the wings. Neat. And there's like 3 of each one. You know, I don't know what December's motif was, but maybe it was a good thing that it got delayed, because I'm very happy with all this butterfly stuff. Okay, what's next? Loft book collection series. Words, just words. Don't know what they mean. Paper stuff. Okay, that's cute. It doesn't really serve any function. So these are papers. They're loose papers. There's several designs. That's Russian. Cool. And they're like tables and graphs. Wow, that's a lot of Russian. Is this all Russian? Oh, it is. I didn't realize that when I first looked at it. Huh. I wonder if it's all from one book. a science-y Russian book. Tables, graphs, other figure 9. Yeah, I have no idea what that is. A drawing of something, some mechanical process. Oh, that might be electrical, perhaps. Okay, so those are fun. Nothing to do with butterflies, but you know, gotta have some variety. And that's a really interesting color paper. Okay. Loft Book Collection Series, Academic Chart. Candy poetry. I like that, candy poetry. I have no idea what that means, but it sounds like a cool name. Ooh, another stamp. Another butterfly stamp. Let me in. Ooh, 2 of them. A teeny weeny one. Ooh, I love the teeny ones. Okay, we have to stamp it. I have to get this stuff out of the way. Okay. Let's get a darker ink, shall we? Okay, let's get the little baby one. A little tiny baby butterfly. Ooh, nice. I like it. Okay, and then this one, the medium butterfly. Yeah, that looks like I got ink on it. We'll just go right over the top of this. Ooh. Very nice. Can you see that? Aren't those pretty? Pretty, pretty? Very nice. Okay, so we've got 3 butterfly stamps. 2 largish and 1 teeny. Okay, next. More butterfly stickers. These look like stamp shaped, postage stamp shaped butterfly stickers, and a pretend postcard as the packaging. I love these. I use these. Oh, that one got smushed. Wow, that's teensy. It's like grass and a bunch of teeny butterflies. Butterflies under glass. Dragonflies. Things with wings. That's pretty. That's pretty. That's very pretty. It looks like there's 2 of each. Neat. And there's like a variety of illustration types. I like that. Ooh, like that's a fairy. Neat. Can you guys see these? Am I too far away? Oh, you can see them pretty good. Ooh, this looks like a bunch of wings. Okay, more wings. Winging it. More winging it. Ooh, that's neat. It's too bad they're white though. I don't like the white border, even though it's stamp shaped. I guess I can ink it. That's what I'll do. I'll ink them. Cool. Those are fun. Okay, what else we got? A couple more things. Yeah. Oh. Some stickers, a sticker sheet. And it's got, it looks like the, nope, it's different. I was going to say the stamp butterflies, but they're different. Those are really pretty. Okay, And this is the requisite pad of paper with, I'm gonna guess, 3 different designs. Oh, maybe not. No, this is loose paper. Okay, there's 1 design, 2. Wow, that's pretty. Very nice. 3 designs. 4 designs. And 5. Gorgeous. Oh, I love that. I love that paper. Super fun. So that is paper. It's somewhat thick paper, but it's not quite cardstock. I don't think they're... Yeah, okay. All right, and there appears to be one more thing. Some handmade paper, looks like. With bits of plant material. Yeah, that's neat. It's neat. It's almost see-through. There's like five sheets of it. Very nice, very nice. Okay, so that was the substitution for December's failed delivery. But you know what? This was worth the wait. I love this. I love butterflies. I think a lot of people will really like this. Okay, so that concludes my Your Creative Studio subscription, because I only subscribed through December. So that's it for me. I got enough supplies for quite a while, I think. Don't need more. Don't need any more for a while. So maybe there is a butterfly journal in my near future. I'm thinking perhaps there will be. Okay, so thanks for being here. Thanks for hanging out with me. Hope you enjoyed the box, and I'll see you guys soon. Okay, bye.